IL reste. This il is nothing to do with the thing that remains. I suppose in the way that you'd say there is or there are 3 forks. Il y a. Yeah, it there has 3 forks. You don't say elle y a, or you don't change the gender. So there are 3 forks left. Il reste 3 fourchettes. There used to be 3 forks left, but we've now we've only got 2. Il restait, so we're going to go into the was. Everything we normally do with a verb, AIT on the end. Il restait 3 fourchettes. I've got 2 weeks left before my exam, so what have we said? Any of these expressions, we can pop a pronoun in here and it's going to be indirect. So I've got 2 weeks left. Il me reste 2 semaines. We don't need to change reste. We don't need to make that plural. Il me reste 2 semaines. I've got 3. You've got 3 weeks left. Il te reste 3 semaines. He's got 3 weeks left. Il lui reste. Remember the arrow, it's an indirect one. So quick reminder on the indirect, it doesn't affect me or te or nous or vous, it will just affect lui and leur. It will just affect the third people because the direct and indirect pronoun are the same. And the reflexive pronoun are the same for everybody else unless it is he, she or they. So he's got 2 days left. Il lui reste, that sounds terrible. Il lui reste 2 jours. Okay. Is there any bread left? Il reste du pain. Yeah? Do you have any bread left? Il te reste du pain. So we've got this idea with these. 2 main ideas to take is that we can use il, we don't have to worry about the verb changing unless we put it in a different tense, and we can always use we can choose to pop in the to, the person or not. Let's now do the same with FAUT. Now, I always use this with an object, okay? I don't use this with a verb, okay? Il me faut une fourchette is I need a fork, which is completely interchangeable with j'ai besoin d'une fourchette, your normal I need expression. Yeah, so j'ai besoin de can obviously be followed by a verb. J'ai besoin de parler. J'ai besoin de toucher, I need to touch. J'ai besoin d'expliquer, to explain, okay? J'avais besoin de, you know, I needed. But with this one, okay, keep this to objects. So I need a pen. Oh merde, il me faut un stylo. Yeah? Il faut un stylo. Again, we can get rid of what's in the middle. We need a pen is needed. We need a pen. Il faut un stylo. If you're going to London, an Oyster card, that's the travel card used on the London Underground. So you could say, si tu allais à Londres, if you were going to London, you would need, il te faudrait, yeah, we're using the would tense, il te faudrait une carte Oyster. You need a bit of time. Il te faut un peu de temps. Okay, so these expressions all use the same method. Il plus the verb, yeah? The verb can go in any tense, but it will remain in this third person, and then we can choose to pop some in. So let's do some nice examples now. So if you were saying, we had 3 days left, so when we had 3 days left before the Brexit vote, everybody was debating. So quand il nous restait, okay, whatever we're saying, 3 days, yeah? Il reste, add something before, il nous reste, now stick it in the was tense, il nous restait. I've got 3 days of my holiday left. Il me reste, pardon me, or in French as we say, à tes souhaits, 3 jours de mes vacances. I don't think you can quite see mes vacances. Il me reste 3 jours de mes... Well, you can spell vacances, but it's V-A-C-A-N-C-E-S, okay? Do you have any bread left? Est-ce que which we'd have to make with an apostrophe, or we could take that out. Il te reste un bout de pain or a bit of bread, du pain, some bread. Okay. Is there any bread left without the U? Il reste du pain. Okay. There wasn't much bread left. Il ne restait pas beaucoup de pain. Yeah. I didn't have a lot of bread left description. So notice already how a lot of these expressions go into the was very easily. Il ne me restait pas beaucoup de pain. Okay. Now, let's quickly talk a little bit more about the verb falloir, which we're using in il faut. If we're going into the was tense with that one, what's my method for the was? We find an A sound, okay? Unless we're with ion or ea for the nous and the vous. But we don't have those with this verb, do we? We just have the third person, the he, she. Or the it in this case, because it's neutral. You wouldn't say John must, John faut. Yeah, we have the verb devoir for that. John doit. Or, you know, John a besoin de. So, if we've got falloir, let's quickly check we know this one in different tenses. Now, it always works like the verb vouloir. So, how do you say I wanted? Je voulais. Let's actually make it he wanted. And I think I'm going to do a separate verb on this. So, a separate video. So, il voulait. So it was necessary, il fallait. Okay, il voudra, he will want. Most of you will know I would like, je voudrais. So the future block is V-O-U-D-R. So it will be necessary, il faudra. Okay. Il faudrait, it would be necessary. It had been necessary, il avait, or il a, if we were in the perfect, fallu. You can't see that on there, I'm sorry. Il avait, or il a fallu, if we were going in the pluperfect or the other, the perfect tense. So the point is, this verb works pretty much already like vouloir. Okay, so I will need a pen. Il me faudra. Ray, ra, wrong for the future, un stylo. I would need a pen, il me faudrait un stylo. Okay? So let's do some examples with that one. Now, the thing I wanted to say on this one finally is this is the expression you use for how long it takes to do something. You use this one with time. So for example, in the morning it takes me, well, this doesn't just happen naturally, this is obviously hours of preparation. So in the morning it takes me 20 minutes to get ready. Le matin, il me faut 20 minutes pour me préparer. Yeah, now let's say that a little bit more linked, a little bit more like in proper French. Le matin, il me faut 20 minutes pour me préparer. Okay? How long does it take you? Would be, it to you is necessary. How much time? Il te faut combien de temps? Il te faut combien de temps? Okay? How long does it take you to travel to London? Il te faut combien de temps pour voyager à Londres, okay? It took me, action, il m'a fallu. It's going to be an action. So he wanted, il a voulu. We wouldn't say that very often, would we? Because we'd go with the he was wanting, il voulait. But it took me, il m'a fallu. Oh, it's going to take me 3 hours to mark all this homework. Il va me falloir 3 heures pour corriger. In French we say to correct the homework. Tous ces devoirs, or this homework. Good. So really, this is probably these are probably the two times you'll hear this expression used the most, when you're talking about how long something takes to do, either as part of your regular routine or in the future, or whether you're talking about something that you need. Okay, so you could say, it takes me 3 hours to dry my hair, if I was a woman saying that, or somebody with long hair, because I need a hairdryer. Okay, il me, 3 hours. You'd have no hair left. It takes me, let's say, 20 minutes, 10 minutes. Il me faut 10 minutes pour me sécher les cheveux, to dry my hair, for myself to dry the hair, because I need a hairdryer, parce qu'il me faut un sèche-cheveux. Okay? So you can use it for an object that you need all the time. So mixed bag, final thing, mixed bag. Luke, I miss Luke, because I like his videos. Luke, in the heart, me manque, parce que j'aime bien ses vidéos. Okay? I miss French. I used to do it at school, but I don't do it anymore. Le français me manque. I used to miss French, but now I follow Luke's videos. Le français, picture the heart, me manquait, mais maintenant je suis les vidéos de Luke. Maintenant je regarde les vidéos de Luke. Okay? It only takes us 2 hours. Il nous faut seulement 2 heures, or il ne nous faut que 2 heures. It took us a week. Il nous a fallu une semaine. Oh, we've only got a week left. Il nous reste seulement une semaine. We haven't got any bread left. Il nous reste aucun pain. Okay? We didn't have any bread left. I want you to be able to use these freely in the was. Il nous restait aucun pain. Yeah? Good. Any questions on these verbs, please get in touch. But I just think they're really good ones for spoken stuff. Okay? And you need this kind of thing. Il vous faut ce genre de choses. Don't stop using vous avez besoin de ce genre de choses, but you know, just notice how quick that one comes out. Yeah, il vous faut ce genre de choses. Well done. It's a tricky video today. Practice saying them. Just practice going in the imperfect with all of them. Yeah, il me faut, il me fallait, il reste, il restait, il manque, il manquait, whatever. And I will speak to you very soon.